Alright, hey everybody. This week we're taking the front suspension off the car.
And once again, we learned that I don't listen enough and you have all the good ideas. Hold on, put it on top of the other ones.
What do I do with the bolts?
Put them in the bolts tray in the back. Well, don't do them one at a time. Just put them there for now, and then take all four of them together. As you'll be there all day. And don't walk on that cable, please. So, can you work out what to do in the anti-roll bar? This is called the tie rod. This thing, right? It's attached to the steering. Look at how knackered that is.
Yeah.
So we absolutely have to replace that before we can drive the car. Okay, you show the camera what bolts we have to do to under the sway bar, anti-roll bar.
From the diagram, it looks like
That's right. Yeah.
Bolt here.
That's it. And there's a split pin there. Do you remember from the diagram?
Yeah.
So, this is the anti-roll bar, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's what you were just pointing out, yeah? And this is the other part. So what's the first step?
Remove the four nuts, bolts, plane washers, and the two spacers securing the anti-roll bar brackets. So where I was
those
looking
guys.
here to end up here, which is what I was saying. Yeah.
So are you set to undo or do?
Undo.
You are, yeah. So you want to keep it straight. Yeah, you want to keep it. You're wobbling at an angle. You want to try and keep it straight as you can. Yeah.
Not coming out. It's because it's turning on both sides. And I have a wrench.
It's harder to get into, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Not getting the top.
You'll manage. My side's out.
Cool.
I don't even need an impact wrench.
You have to make sure it's completely flat, or it won't come out.
What do you mean by completely flat?
So the bottom of it, you have to flatten. Yeah. Do you understand?
No.
It's split.
Right.
You should flatten the bottom. Then it won't come out because you're pushing against the splitness. You want to look?
Sure.
I'm not gonna do it. Yeah. So it's not shut. You need to. It's still got a V there. You see? You need to flatten that. At the moment, you're pulling against the force of that V.
Can you have a try?
No, you try and work it out. Try squeezing the bottom one and twisting to try and sort of push it through. Are you moving the pin, or are you just sliding around the pin? I wouldn't just pull one leg though. You need to squeeze in the bottom while you pull on the top.
I don't think you're right. Because logically that doesn't make sense to me.
Why not, Ed?
Because if you're squeezing on the bottom, you're clamping this bit down here.
No, you're not. So there's a hole, right? And there's a pin going through the hole, and the pin's open. And if you're pulling against it, you're pulling against the open legs. So if you shut the legs...
No, there's only one pin in a hole.
Yeah, there's one pin.
No, there's only one leg in the hole.
No, there's two legs.
No, there's one leg.
Oh, is there?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, you're all right. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, okay, that's different to what I thought then. Oh, then I'm wrong. Okay, yeah. So then in that case, just push it through from one leg like you were. There you go. Well done. You got it. Well done, Eddie. We definitely moved there. Way to go, Ed. Went that way somewhere. Well done, Eddie.
Are you gonna get a breaker bar to it?
Yeah.
My side was really easy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting airtime.
You getting what?
Airtime.
What does that mean?
Because I'm putting so much force into it, I'm starting to lift off the ground.
You silly sausage.
This is a workout, I'll give you that.
Whereas I'm applying science and using a breaker bar.
Technically, I'm still applying science.
Technically, your science is much harder than my science.
It doesn't get easier.
It doesn't get easier.
Mm-mm. No, this isn't for me.
It's all that gunk on the thread. It will get easier once you get to the end of the thread.
I'm on the end of the thread.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I'm wrong then. What was that, Ed?
Me.
Yeah, don't do that.
Ow!
What's up?
My bolt is like searing hot. I'll have to wait for my bolt to cool down.
You serious?
Yeah, it's really hot. I put a lot of force into it.
That horrible gunk everywhere. Did you got it off?
Yeah.
Hold on.
It bounced around.
Good God, this is hard, man.
I know my fingers feel weird.
I'm not getting into that. It was easier watching you.
You have a breaker bar and you're complaining. Can I have a go at it?
With a breaker bar?
No. With my ratchet.
Oh, too right. I'm glad to let you take over. Go for it.
Your socket's bigger.
Yeah. Does it make it worse or better?
Worse.
We can get a small socket. Using yours.
That's tightening. Is it tightening?
No, that's slackening.
Like this way.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Not so tough now, are you?
Shut up. Okay, your side is harder.
If you look at the back of the anti-roll bar where we just took the nut off,
Right.
there's like a protrusion. You know what a protrusion is? Sticky
Yeah, I know what it is.
Sticky arty bit.
Yeah.
I think that'll turn. I'm not sure, but I think it will turn. Yeah, it does turn. Mine's come off. There's like a rubber thing next, I think. I'm not sure that comes off. What happened there, Eddie?
I might have been twisting the wrong way.
Well, there's no wrong way, it's not threaded. Clamp it, that's it, yeah, and then twist it. And then backwards and forwards, yeah? Mine just came off when I did that. That's it, same as my side. You know what you're doing?
I'm hammering out the bolt.
Yeah, you just try to push the whole thing out. Is it coming out?
Yep. Okay, I can't think of any not insane ideas.
Yeah, I'm thinking jack, but that's pretty insane.
Okay, so our goal is to pull this, right?
Yeah, it's just a long U
Could we like tie something to this and pull it out there where we have more force?
and drive a car.
That's kind of the direction I was thinking. That's why I said insane, but
It's actually quite good thinking. I'd be worried to pull the whole car off the...
that's what I was thinking, yeah.
Maybe not. Maybe crowbar under here. That might be less insane. What do you think?
Yeah.
There you go. That's it. Probably the bushing with it. That's it. You want to try your side?
Ah.
So close. Watch your face now. Watch it springs out at you. You damage your pretty face, your mother will not be happy. She's gonna do that. Look, watch out, it's gonna be boring face. Bingo!
didn't really spring out.
Well, it was worth being safe, wasn't it? Let me spray it a bit more. Spray your side and spray my side. You beauty. You need to remove this brake hose here, right? And the remaining nut there. It's not how you're doing it. You're taking this off.
Taking this off.
And if it's not clear, go and read the instructions. And if they're not clear, then try the Haynes manual. Yeah, but you have to take your mission is to take this thing off. Come towards you. Will it come? No? There you go. Got it.
So I think as soon as I take this washer out, it should pop down.
The washer shouldn't affect it.
That's what happened with the last one.
Really?
Maybe it was the nut. I don't know. Anyways, they're all off.
Oh. That wasn't very good.
Alright guys, so one way or another we did manage to get the suspension off the car. Please subscribe as it really helps us out. See you guys next time.